Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you Monopoly Go Airplane Mode Glitch. Does it still work for free dice? But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So you might be wondering, is the airplane mode glitch here still works in Monopoly Go? So to answer that is yes, the glitch still works here, but you need to understand that this is a glitch. This is from the name itself. It means that the developers are actively looking for a way to permanently remove it from the game. And there are some certain circumstances or penalties if you try abusing this specific glitch here, so I'll be showing that later on. But how does it actually work? Now, what I mean by the glitch here is you could basically get some free dices, but it's not directly getting free dices. It's more of like managing how you use your free dices here, resulting you in utilizing or properly using your dices and saving up on dices and to see if you should roll higher or lower here. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to take note where your token is going to be or where your token is going to start, and also your multiplier. So currently I'm using the times 20 multiplier here, so that's where we're going to start. Now once you do know the information needed here, you need to go ahead and just go to airplane mode. So go and just go to your notifications. So let's go just exit this one. You want to go ahead and go to this one. So yeah, you want to look for airplane mode here. Go ahead and just click on airplane mode. And you want to go ahead and just basically start rolling away. So let's go ahead and click on go. So I think we are going to get a 3. As you can see right now, a 4. Let's go ahead and click on go. And we got a 7. So 4, 7. Until we get an 8. And until we get a 3. So yeah, so you could go and just start rolling away in here until you get the no internet connectivity that actually pops up on your screen. Now let's go click on collect here. So as long as you don't get the no internet pop up here, you could go and just list down all the results that you'll be getting in here. But once that actually pops up, you will need to stop using, or you need to exit the app here. As you can see here now, we got the no internet. So let's go and just exit the app. So again, list down all of the results that you got there. And what you need to do is you want to go and press and hold on the Monopoly Go app. You want to go and click on the eye icon next to the trash can icon here. And you want to go and click on clear data at the bottom right. And you want to go and click on clear all data. Now, by the way, before doing any of the steps here, clearing all your data here, you may need to make sure that your account or your progress in Monopoly Go is actually connected to a Facebook account or a Google account, so that you could retain or keep your progress inside the game. So if you didn't connect your Facebook account to your Monopoly Go account here, you will lose all data, all the progress that you made. So again, connect your account. But yeah, once you've done that, let's go and click on clear all data, click on OK. Now, by the way, you can also access the app info page here by going to your settings, going to apps, and just looking for Monopoly Go. You should see the same screen that I've just shown you here. Now, once you've done that, you go ahead and just go to your widgets here, and you want to go and just turn off airplane mode here, and that should restore internet connectivity inside the app. So let's go ahead and just basically open up Monopoly Go here again, and you just need to wait for a while. Now, this might take a while, so just wait for it to complete. As you can see here now. So, again, you may need to re-log into your account, so just wait for it. Now, like what I said before, you could still use this, but then again, it's not directly getting dices. It's more of like allowing you to manage how you roll. So should you roll higher or lower depending on the situation here. So for example, you got jail, maybe you may want to basically change the outcome, so you could actually change that. Let's go and click on I agree, and let's go and click on play with friends. And you just need to wait for it to log in. But once you're logged in, we should start on our previous page, or from our where we actually started inside the game. So usually it's going to be at bottom left of my board, so if I'm not mistaken. Again, it might take a while, so let's just wait for it. And here it is. So let's go and just close all the pop-ups that we are going to get in here. Okay, we are back at our starting position here. So what you need to do is you want to go and just start rolling away. So since we haven't changed our multiplier here, we're pretty much going to get the same results that we got before. Let's go and click on go. And we got a 4. Let's go and click on go. And we got a 7. Now, if you click on go again, we got an 8. Now, the thing with this one is if you don't like the next outcome that you're going to get in here, what you need to do here is you just need to change the multiplier. So maybe I want to increase my multiplier here or decrease it, depends on your preference. But once you change that, the outcome is going to change. Now, this is still a random result. It may be the same, but most of the time it's going to be different. Let's go and click on go. And we got an 8. So yeah, so pretty much in here it's going to be a different results moving forward, because again, we change the multiplier and we are able to manage how we land or where we land. So if you don't like the result that you're going to get in here, you can go and change the outcome. But the thing with this one is you need to relog in and relog out from your account, which sometimes you may get this pop-up here. Now, you may get this pop-up here when you try logging in, especially if you're doing this glitch over and over again with your account. So you may want to be careful and do this at your own risk. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.